Mike Hughes here, and I'm at Dive Center Scuba in Curacao.
Yeah, exactly.
And I'm here with Sander. You want to tell us a little bit about your operation?
Yeah.
2 operations now, right?
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
We started out in Curacao in 1996. We're right located at the bay. This is Yantiu Bay. It's in the eastern part of the island of Curacao. The dive center is located right here, so we're right at the bay.
Jump right in the water.
Yeah, exactly. We're a PADI 5-star dive resort, and we offer all different courses. The easy thing is that we can do everything confined in the bay, and we have a beautiful house reef just here outside. So it's a great destination for shore diving.
Okay.
We also offer boat diving, but mainly shore diving.
Okay.
And we recently opened a new location on Bonaire, on the new Scuba Dive and Beach Resort. Also there, we're a PADI 5-star dive resort.
Oh, okay.
So we're full service. We have our own compressor. We fill our own air. As I said, we also do boat dives. So we go to East Point. We work together with Bluefin Charters for that. Yeah, it's very comparable to Bonaire. So there's a lot of shore diving, beautiful coral reefs, loads of Caribbean types of fish. So yeah, and the location is super centrally located.
Now, it's a dive resort behind there, or?
We are not located on a resort, but there are several resorts surrounding us. So there's a big bungalow, bungalow resort here. There's another one here, and there's a big hotel
all around here.
Yeah, big hotel also there.
Okay.
And that's all on
But it's
5-minute walk.
reef.
Yes, it's our house reef. Yeah, yeah, very happy to call it that.
Cool. And then, so in the type of animals, life that they would see, well, we've got some.
Yeah, French angelfish, seahorses, octopus, green moray-eels, frogfish, trumpetfish, sergeant majors.
They should be Dutch angelfish.
Yeah, that would have been better, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And if they want more information about your outfit?
Yeah, they can visit our website, divecenterscubadoo.com. Or they can contact us via email, info@scubadoocuracao.com.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You too. Thank you.